In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Shopify tags. Tags help organize your products, power filters, and sometimes drive automated collections. Deleting an outdated or incorrect tag can clean up your catalog and prevent products from appearing in the wrong places. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you know exactly what to look for and what to expect. First, head to your Shopify admin, open your browser, sign into your store's admin dashboard, and make sure you're on the home screen where you can see the main navigation on the left. Everything we need lives there. Next, select products. This opens your full product list. You can scroll, search, or filter to quickly locate the item you want to adjust. If you manage a large catalog, using the search bar with the product title or SKU will save time. Open the product you want to edit, click the product name to enter its details page. Here you'll see all the key fields, title, media, pricing, inventory, and the organizational settings we need. Now scroll to the tag section. Depending on your admin layout, tags may appear within the organization area or as its own field. You'll see existing tags displayed as small labels or chips. These represent the labels currently attached to this product. To remove a tag, click the small X next to the tag you want to delete. As soon as you click the X, the tag disappears from this product's tag list. This action only removes the tag from the current product. It does not delete the tag from your entire store or from other products that still use it. Keep in mind that if an automated collection or a storefront filter relies on that tag, this product will no longer qualify once the tag is removed. Finally, click Save. You can use the Save button at the top or bottom of the page. Saving is essential. If you navigate away without saving, the tag will reappear the next time you open the product. After you save, you should see a confirmation that your changes have been applied and the removed tag will no longer be associated with this product. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you removed the wrong tag by mistake, simply type the exact tag name back into the tags field, select it, and save again. Also, try to use consistent tag naming across your store to avoid near duplicates that can make filtering and reporting messy. That's it, go to Shopify admin, open products, choose your product, find tags, click the X, and save. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.